I gotta get over this way. I gotta get up. Okay. That's the hardest one. Let me get up here. Let me get up here. Let me get up here.
Oh, you better climb up there.
Put that over there.
Get it done. That's what that is.
Now you see why they charge so much.
Yeah, to get up for labor, yeah.
Ooh, you got to be careful. You got brake lines and shit in here, man. Man, listen.
End up touching and breaking that something.
Man, you know what I mean? Lying down the snap doing my shit. That's when you just gotta be easy with your shit. You ain't got the right shit, I just want to fuck with you.
Right. Niggas getting old and still.
And it broke off in there.
Oh wow.
Yep. Motherfucker, I just touched him. Well, look at that. This truck gonna run good.
Hey, he said this truck around good. Hey.
That's all.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get my little video up there. I'm gonna get my spark plug in a second.
That's over.
Cause that's a keeper. That's an OG car. Now, when I get that, I want this too. I want this. Do not sell it to nobody but me. It got a sunroof. Just like the Vino does. Vino got a sunroof. I love sunroof for real. I don't want no drop. He said, I don't want no drop. Give me a sunroof. Car with a sunroof. That's my first Vino though, like that. I'm gonna smack next year. Smacking that. There's always something going on 2-7. All right, I'm finna put one of them in then.